Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set emergency contacts to your account on the Detecht application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner again, and then tap on emergency contacts, which is the fifth option at the top. Tap on add emergency contact, type in the name of the person you would like to notify if an accident occurs, and then type in their phone number. If you are done, click on the save button down below in order to save the contact, or you can also add the contact from your phone book by tapping on this last button down below. As you go back, you can also connect with your friends, so they will get notified if you are involved in an accident. So here you are going to find their contacts at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.